Whenever we have phones in our hands, we need internet bundles to use and utilize our phones or social media and or different contacts. So whenever it comes to putting an internet bundle or taking an internet bundle under consideration, it's easy to find it through your phone. But whenever it comes to home bundles, it would be a difficulty to find a cheap and easy and very much available suitable bundle. So let's start that how to find a suitable bundle for your home bundle. First of all, we have to search it on internet, as we have known that thing, the fact that internet is the only thing which is going to avail us all the options, all the access to the world, to each and every corner of the world. So for that thing, we must have internet in our phones, and especially whenever you are living in California, let's search here how being a citizen of California you can enjoy home bundles. First of all, we have to make a search on the Google, that is home bundle in California. And home insurance bundles, there are many things they are giving, and we are going to search on insurance home bundle for the best thing, for the useful keywords like home internet bundle. And you have to specify the area, or you can also search generally. So whenever we will search here, now you can see here that there are many Pakistani bundles, there are different kind of SIMs and companies. So we are specifying the country, that is California, USA. We have specified it, and the very first one they are giving us is easy and affordable internet, reliable high-speed internet. Now it comes to the usage of the internet, and here we will see that which policies we should go for, we should learn to get an internet bundle through it. They are saying that their account is suspended, so we have to go for the second one. Now when we are here for the second website, we are finding different options. Like you can see on the screen, they are giving us discover rural internet you will love. It means they are appreciating their internet bundles, and below there is written award-winning internet connectivity solutions for rural homes. Next, unlimited data, guaranteed speeds, friendly spot, no hidden fees. So they are saying that the fee they are applying will be legal and will be the best thing that you should get to know about. But there will be nothing that they will charge you privately, they will charge you personally, they can charge you in a cheap way, and you can also get a claim for it if you find any difficulty while using that internet bundle, to the company or to the agency, to the police as well, if there would be some sort of illegal situations. Next to it, you can see there are many appreciations they are showing. You can choose the bundle by scrolling down, and now there's giving you the plans starting at $53.99. All plans include truly unlimited data, guaranteed speeds, no hidden charges. We have got it. Now what you have to do to get that bundle in your home is to put some your personal information, not so much personal, but some necessary information to make the bundle on, to make the router on for your home. That is your first name, last name, phone number, email, street address, city, zip code, promo code, and there are two further optional questions as well. And below there you can also choose your language. Then after choosing it, and if you have used it before, then you can also give your comments here. After that you have to press on the quote button, and get quote will make the bundle on for your home. That's the very easy and that's the best way to get a home bundle by sitting at home and not going anywhere physically.